Hi guys, welcome to The Bite. My name is Jackie. Today I'm going to show you a very quick video on how to make Samneh in Arabic or ghee in English. It's one main ingredient of butter where the milk solids are separated from the fats. I have a ton of benefits for this in the description box. One essential ingredient that I find is essential at least is an Arabic spice called Hawajet Samneh. This is difficult to find in stores, but I have a link in the description box of where you can buy this online. This my grandma actually bought from Jerusalem and brought it back for me, and a little bit goes a long way, but it makes all the difference. So I'll show you how I use this when I make the Samneh, and it's super easy, so check out the video.